So how many of you people are using Notion? Because I can give you a list for free if you want. It's plug in and play. The date automatically corrects itself. All you gotta do is at the end of the day, you fill it out like a journal. What worked today? What slipped? What's your focus for tomorrow? Score it 1 out of 10. And what's your one key takeaway? That could be if you spend 20 minutes reading a book, you learn something from the book, you pull in, and you add a picture to everyone. You got to be adding a picture to everyone, because when you look back, like I have, from all the way back when, I was sober surfing, living in the car when I first got to Bangkok, all of it, and you got a picture for each one. It doesn't have to be anything special. It can be like this. It can be like, if you haven't got anything in mind, it can be like a picture like that, a picture on a computer, it could be a picture on a thing, picture in a hostel, our first one, just some random, it can be all sorts of random ones, working on a computer in Bangkok, on a moped after a night out, food on a balcony, and this stuff goes all the way down. I can't even go down fast enough. Even down for, I think, some of the last family meals. So that night, you don't have to write something much. It will start with all messiness, and then it will start to correct itself, which I've already set some questions, so you don't need to. Having a journal, but problem with a journal when you're traveling, it's another piece of equipment you gotta have in your bag, and it can get wet, it can get lost, more weight, more bulk. This you just have on your phone. The desktop version is exactly the same as you have on your phone. You just click it up, fill it out, post a picture, it's done. Doesn't cost nothing, it's all free. It doesn't even take storage on your bloody phone. I think it's brilliant, man. When you look back and you see little journaling, writing, and then when you can review it at the end of a week, at the end of the month, you can review what's done right, what's slipped. If the same thing slipped 10 times in a month, then you know you got a problem there. Then you need to tighten the gaps up. That could be a huge solution in the problem you keep facing, what's been going on for many months. What you've done right, what you've learned, this, that. Today is literally edit yesterday's video. I'm gonna jump back on. I've got some things I want to write up, some future plans, just so it's empty out of my mind. Finally, this edit's now rendering. Should be my best edited one so far. Could have coded all the way through, the right kind of music, try to cut all the bullshit, try to make it interesting, some good information on there, maybe a bit of learning and a bit of moving forward. Set that in the timer. How long we got left? 10 minutes left. So it's on time. That fucking dog, man. I don't know, they must have a dog in the cage, because at every moment through the day, it barks. All the way through the night it barks. No one tells it to shut up. It just yaps, fucking yaps. This place is pretty decent, and I could stay here longer, but not with that dog. I don't know if they allow it to run around. I don't know if they care about it, or it's hungry, or it's scared, or what. Just one thing I cannot wait is to get away from that barking, man. That thing would be long gone back in the UK. People would not stand for that. They literally would have come around them at night and fucking, yeah, you know what I mean. But yeah, thank God that's gone. I'm having a banana, sit back for 10 minutes, have a little snack box in about 4 hours. These are Korean, if I'm not mistaken. Some peanut butter. I think these could be around about 140 calories. We didn't have 6 of them. About 2 bananas this morning. Tattoos and teeth. So find out when they got spots available for my teeth this week, or whether it is Friday. We'll see if we can get ourselves fitted in, either, mostly Sunday actually. I'm gonna have some tattoos. I've been looking through some, and I'm trying to find ones which fit what feels right. Oh, fuck. Little compass here, little chest tattoo here, little thing here. This is only a little small one. I won't tell you what that one is. And some writing there. That's 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. And some swords here. It just fits in for what I have in my mind. A lot of things clicked last night today. It's only just gave me more confidence in myself and everything moving forward. Because when we leave this place, fuck knows what's gonna happen. No idea. It's all gonna just be how I really wanted the whole trip to be. Just present, just crazy, just day by day, hour by hour. Plain, slightly salted, not too much peanut butter, but enough to keep us primed. Carbs. Get back, we'll have 4 or 5 egg omelette and a protein shake to take us in the night. And loads of water.